In this video, you will learn about the TRIOS Design Studio workflow for a full anatomy bridge. The TRIOS Design Studio solution is a complete digital workflow with fully integrated CAD/CAM modules. This solution is dedicated to dental practices that would like to produce restorations like crowns, inlay-onlays, veneers, and bridges in-house. Start with the creation of a new patient. To do that, click on New Patient. In the pop-out window, fill in the patient details. Only last name is compulsory. When done, click OK. Now create the case. Click on New Case and fill in the rest of the order details if necessary. Select Digital Impression as case type. The adding of photos and comments is also possible. When ready, click Next to select teeth, restoration and material. To create an order for a 3-unit bridge, firstly select the abutment teeth, then go to Anatomy, select Crown as an indication. In the Material tab, select the desired material. It is HTE Max in our case. Secondly, select Pontic Tooth, and again go to Anatomy. And from the indication list, choose Crown Pontic. In Material tab, select HTE Max. Finally, select all 3 teeth and click on the Bridge tab to have your units connected. Click Next. The scanning module will start. The lower jaw has been indicated as the first one, then upper and occlusion. Always remember to mark the tooth on which restoration is planned. While working with the TRIOS scanning module, you can use all tools available for TRIOS application. When all necessary scans are ready, click Next to move to Crown Modeling. Start with the margin line step. Do that on both abutment teeth in the order shown in the Order Overview Tooth Selector. First, set the margin line for a molar, tooth 16 or 3, depending on the teeth numbering system you use. You can do that both automatically and manually. To use auto detection, make sure that the first button is marked. Then click on the margin line. The software generates the margin line, and you can always adjust it if it is necessary. Remember that you can adjust the margin line from the outside and the inside of the scan. When the first tooth is ready, click Next to move to the next one. To set the margin line manually, click on the Click and Go button and then on the margin. Set the first point and then the rest of them. The line will always try to stick to the margin for your convenience. When you finish, adjustment is also possible. If you would like to remove and redo the margin placement, just click on the Clear button when the right tooth is indicated. When the margin line is set on both abutment teeth, click Next to move to the Insertion Direction step. The software will automatically set it for your bridge and indicate this with a green vector. If you wish to adjust the insertion direction, you can turn the scan to any desired position and click the From View button to have the insertion direction set from that point of view. Check for changes in the undercuts. It is important to avoid the creation of undercuts on the margin. If new directions create more undercuts, click Auto to have it recalculated to optimal value. Once done, click Next to move to the Anatomy Design step. The software generates a design which can be adjusted by the means of different tools. From the Smile library, you can select different available teeth designs. Just click on the desired designs. Then use the design tools to adjust the design. The active tooth is always indicated in the Order Overview. To change the tooth you work on, click on the desired tooth in the Overview or directly on the design. Start with setting teeth in the correct position in relation to other teeth in the arch and antagonist. Use the control spheres to move teeth or click on a tooth and drag it. Use the Morph tool to apply changes to different surfaces. Click on the chosen point of the tooth and drag to make changes. Click Shift and mouse scroll to change the radius of a tool. Next, use the wax knife to add and remove material from a design, as well as to smooth it. Click Shift and scroll to change the radius of a tool, or use the sliders for that, and also to change the amplitude of a tool. Now you can go to Contacts and use the available tool to cut your design to the adjacent teeth and to the antagonist. You can set and apply it for each tooth. In automatic tools, you can find a tool that allows you to cut the pontic to the gingiva according to a set value. And when ready, click on Minimum Thickness to be sure that the design meets the material requirements. Always check how it may affect your design. When your design is ready, you can check the dynamic occlusion using the Dynamic Virtual Articulator. Just click on the Articulator button and then play to see the occlusal contacts during jaw movements. If it is necessary, you can adjust the design. When ready, click Next. Now you can apply some morphing and smoothing for the whole bridge if necessary. When your design is ready, click Next to go to the CAM module, where your restoration will be automatically placed in a milling block compatible with the milling machine integrated with your system. We hope our video was helpful. Thank you for watching.